In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Roblox from crashing on your iPhone or iPad. So the first thing we need to do is to close the Roblox app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. And then in here, just scroll down, click on general, and then click on storage right here actually. So click on storage, and now we need to just wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all of the apps we have on our phone. So you can see it keeps loading here, and that's a good sign actually. It's just going to load all of the apps that you have on your phone. This can sometimes take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes, but now it's done. So we can swipe up, click on search, and then we can search for Roblox here actually, and click on the Roblox app, and then click on offload app in here, and once again in here click on offload app. Then just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here, so we're just going to keep waiting a little bit here, and then click on reinstall app. So now what will happen, I'm going to show you. So actually I'm going to go back here once again, click on, sometimes you have to unfortunately click on it 2 times for it to work. So I'm going to click on reinstall app here once again. So sometimes you have to click on it once again. This will force your Roblox app to update to its absolute most up-to-date version. So I'm just going to see where the Roblox app is now. Yep, here it is. As you can see, it's loading here for me. So it's being updated to the latest version. And after it's done, you can go back and try once again. And hopefully now it's going to work perfectly for you as well as it does for me.